Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from Joetecktips on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and I have a set of Bluetooth headphones. And it's kind of funny when I say set because it's really only one, but we say two speakers, I guess we say set. So this is called Doqaus Life 3 Bluetooth headphones. These are really incredible. Now I'm gonna give them the Joetecktips Instant Awesome rating just because of the longevity and the features of this headphone, these pair of headphones. They are unbelievably incredible. I like the fact that it can fold up like so and store away nicely. Unfortunately, it does not come with a carrying case or whatnot, but you really don't need it because if you're going to just use them, it is what it is. The EQ that's built in this is absolutely incredible. The runtime on this is absolutely incredible. The features on this is great. You can actually stop, fast forward. Like say you're watching a YouTube video and you want to forward to the next one, you can just hit a button on the headset, which is great. Moves it forward one. If you want to rewind it, you press it back one. If you press and hold, it fast forwards. If you want to hit pause, the middle button pauses it. It's just incredible. If it loses Bluetooth connectivity from a device, say you shut it off or it was on a laptop, these automatically go into power save mode and shut down on them on their own, which is absolutely incredible and pretty rare in inexpensive Bluetooth headphones. You can also receive phone calls and talk on the phone with these bad boys. So if you're in the middle of listening to music and suddenly you get a call, you can pick it up. It's that simple. I don't want to beat the death out of this particular product, but it's really beautiful looking headphones, and this is what it looks like. They are adjustable as well, so we can actually move these in and out about a ½ an inch or so for the size of your head. They are kind of oval looking on the inside, so they actually fit around your ear. They are very comfortable, and they don't put a lot of pressure on your head, so you don't feel like you're going to get a freaking headache when you're wearing them. I need them when I go to sleep. So I actually bought these on my own. I did not get them from the company, but this is what I like to do. I like to randomly purchase things and do reviews on them. That's pretty much what I like to do. And this is really nice. The only downside to it, I mean really not much of a downside, is that it does have a Type-C connection on the headphone. However, if you have a Type-C to Type-C power charger, Type-C to Type-C charger, it will not work. You must have a standard USB Type A to Type-C, which the cable comes with it, but it will not work Type-C to Type-C. Not sure why. Maybe the wiring is different on the inside, but it just will not work. So you must use the standard USB cable to go from the charger to Type-C, and it'll work. I have other cables that are the same as this, and it works. I thought it was a proprietary type of cable for charging, but it isn't. It just will not work from Type-C to Type-C. Very strange, but it is a Type-C connection on here to charge, but like I said, you need this type of cable. So aside from that, the bass response is impressive. The treble, the highs and the lows, the mids for the cost, and the other reason why I'm giving it the Joetecktips Instant Awesome rating is that it has 52 hours of battery runtime. 52! Holy shit! That's unbelievable. And I've had it for just about a week, and I listened to stuff about 5 to 6 hours every day, and it's still charged. And I've been using it for at least 5 days now, and I have had no problems whatsoever. The thing is still working up 100%, and that's what you need. If you're looking for something with long runtime, this is the headphone. These are the headphones to get. I'm quite impressed with them. And that's pretty much it. Like I said, I'll have a link in the description below to purchase these bad boys, and you're definitely gonna like them. You're definitely gonna like them. They're not that big at all, and they fit absolutely perfect. See? If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time. By the way, I've lost 40 pounds. Yeah.